David, what skills from your military experience do you rely on for success in your role now?
It comes back to the conversation we had, it's around the kind of character traits. But really, one thing the military is good at is instilling a sense of resilience or discipline. I guess in the military we call it discipline, right? But it's resilience. It's being able to keep going and to, like you said, we talk about Ebury being a great place, a fun workplace, and how energetic it is, but it's not everything that works amazing the first time. In any walk of life, you've got, you hit brick walls, or you hit hurdles, or you have something you need to overcome. And I think that resilience, that discipline that you get is absolutely vital, whether that's an Ebury thing or elsewhere. But it's made me certainly, I think, good at what I do, because if there is a knockback, well, you just dust yourself off, you get up and you try a different way, right?
Having just recently gone running with you, you need to speed up a bit.
To be fair, I did have a broken foot. It was like one of my first
Really?
runs back, so.
Oh, okay, blimey.